Yeah, it's cold in South San Francisco. I'm in South San Francisco now. I'm not in San Mateo anymore. Uh, I'm in I'm in San Francisco now. I rented an apartment here in San Mateo or in South San Francisco. It's cold. I cannot sleep every night because I don't have blankets. I only had blankets that two pieces of blanket that is not thick enough to hold me in the in the night. Um, see see how many how much. So ito GC, nandito tayo sa iyo ngayon. Tingnan natin kung anong temperature. See, 54 degree. Alam mo sa San Mateo ngayon to,